Alright sweethearts, let me show you how I did this thick Greek yogurt using Dano milk. You will be needing 4 cups of powdered milk, which we are going to be mixing with 8 cups of boiling hot water. So for every cup of powdered milk, you'll be needing 2 cups of boiling hot water. And you have to add your water in batches to avoid having so much lumps in your milk. Leave to cool down for a while and remove the fat you sieve, put it on top of the milk and sieve properly. Now we are going to be doing a 1 finger dip test into the milk to be sure you can tolerate the heat. If you can tolerate the heat for about 10 minutes, that means it's ready for you to introduce in your life culture. Scoop out some parts of the milk and mix in your life culture, then pour back. Pour your milk inside an airtight container and cover properly with a very thick material. Cover this and keep inside your oven or a very warm place and let it ferment for about 10 hours. Please don't for any reason to open it and check if it's fermenting or not. Just leave it for 10 hours straight. Like expected, this came out very good, so silky and smooth. If your motive is to get a yogurt, you can stop here, but if not, you can go ahead and sieve this using a sieve cloth. Please make sure you keep this inside the fridge while sieving to avoid getting sour. If you want a sweetened Greek yogurt, you can go ahead and add your sugar. By now, you'll be able to do your own Greek yogurt at home. Don't forget to give me a follow for more tutorial videos. Thank you.